Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Happy Monday. Hope you're having a good day. Today we are actually doing an unboxing of...
Oh, this is where I do this.
Our new Halo View backup camera. So, several months ago, these guys reached out to us and actually wanted to send us a backup camera. I think we mentioned this in a video. They wanted to send it to us and test it out and let you guys know what we thought. And so, of course, we said yes. We need a backup camera. We have just not been able to do anything with it up to this point, so we're going to unbox it for you today, and then later this week we're going to install it, and then when we go to Tyler, we're going to actually let you guys know how it works.
So that's been the issue so far. We've gotten this thing actually a few weeks back. It's just trying to find the time to install it, and they kind of sent it to the perfect people because not everyone is as tech savvy or like have the understanding of how to install things like I do. I know how to get by with like simple construction, really simple construction. But with this, it takes a bit more, just because there's an electrical component, and I'm not really sure what I'm working with back there. It's all kind of foreign to me right now. And so that's kind of why I've been putting it off, and so I'm going to go ahead and just tackle this. We'll do, like she said, we'll do the unboxing today. I'll figure out all the components I have to work with, and then I'm going to watch a ton of YouTube videos until I figure this thing out. And so if I can figure it out, y'all can figure it out. So
basically, like, all of this journey, we don't know what we're doing. So hopefully this can be helpful for you guys to see, learn from us if we make some mistakes, but also see that it could be easy. I don't know. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy because I have no idea we've never done anything like this before. But I'm excited to actually have a backup camera, so let's go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to show you guys everything that came with it.
So again, this is the Halo View backup camera. A lot of them come with 4 different cameras. Right now we just have the one, which is all I want to do right now. These are antennas, so these 2 right here actually go on the LCD or LED screen. It's LCD, there we go. And then this one is just for our little camera, our little backup camera that goes on the very back. Here's some specs. We'll read those later.
I don't know what this means.
Yeah, those are words.
What does this,
Those are just all the specs for it.
am I supposed to know what this means?
And this is actually a pretty good sized screen.
Dang!
Yeah, look at that.
That's almost the size of our TV.
Yeah, it's showing how small my hands are, really. It's 7 inches. It should be 7 inches across, and so.
Dang. I wonder, will this play movies?
Sure, if you hold the movie screen behind where the camera is, apparently there is actually, let me get this out too. So these things are actually pretty heavy.
What is that?
This is the camera.
Whoa!
So this is the mount right here on the bottom, as you can see. And then, of course, this is actually the hookup, which that could work, potentially.
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not, but we'll go check it out. Wow. And then it also comes with a visor to try to help with sun glare and things like that.
But it's
you have
also
to kind of adjust that to get it right.
Waterproof.
Yeah, but the thing is real sturdy. I mean, this thing is good.
Dang, that's probably 2 pounds.
And this is if you have an explosive device. See? Bye.
That's the emergency shut-off switch. What is that?
I'm pretty sure it gives power to that. You can just leave it plugged in. Yeah, so this is for the interior of the car.
Just like the button.
Giving power to this. I'm pretty sure about that too.
Abort mission!
Yeah.
Beep, beep. Another cord.
Okay.
With exposed wire. Cool.
So that was the thing. These 2 go together.
Where
somehow.
does that go?
And this is what goes inside the RV somewhere. This is the part that I was not sure about. But I mean, if I may not need this if the cord works for this in the back.
Okay.
So I'll have to go check that out. Oh, nice.
What's that?
It's a dash mount for the screen itself with some adhesive on the bottom. Some 3M adhesive.
Hashtag sponsored.
Yeah.
Is this so you can take the screen on and off so it doesn't stay on the dashboard all the time? Like, so we don't leave, because I don't want to leave the screen up in the car the whole time.
No, you don't have to leave it up. You can actually take it off anytime.
Cool, okay.
And go hide it.
Yeah.
And here's something.
Colors.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing with.
Oh my gosh.
You see why I wanted to put this off? All the videos I watch, too, are like, we're going to install our cameras, and then they
don't show
drill
the
them in, and they never show this.
They don't show the wiring.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What do you do with this?
I don't know. What is this?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh good, they gave me this tool.
Mr. Allen wrench. Well, we've got a manual.
Oh, good. And there's your QR code. Oh my god.
Oh, I bet the QR code takes you to an installation video. There.
Oh, it just states that the colors are there. There's red, there's black,
No, it's
brown. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, but one thing it does have, if you do have multiple cameras, you can actually see it, like all the views. And there is a microphone on the camera itself. Oh, get out of here. Get. So yeah, there's microphone on the camera itself, and so even if you're back there and someone wants your attention,
like stop.
Yeah, stop. Or
so this is it unboxed.
this is it's all outside of the box now, ready for someone to come install it.
What is it?
So it's what I thought it was. It's the same thing that we have for the solar. So it's already a pre-installed plug, and so it's just this one plug that's right here, and so you just have one insert. Our issue with the solar was it's still the right plugs. It's those 2-prong plugs, but they're inverted. And so we can't actually use our solar panels on our own solar panel ready system. So same thing with this with the backup camera. And there goes a leaf. Or a feather. But yeah, so I don't know. I'll try to figure this out. Maybe I can actually uninstall this and the wires may be there probably. So I'll figure that out. Well, you have one of these against the same thing, so all it does is bump against each other.
So it doesn't fit into the one that's already installed in the
No, not even close.
Of course it doesn't.
Yeah, but the wiring is all back there, and so all I have to do is just take that whole piece off. I took just a little panel off, so if I take the whole piece off, then everything should be in there. I can always just undo what they did, and then put our system on there. And then, I don't know.
What does this go? So this goes into there.
Pretty sure this goes into the car. This goes into the car, somehow.
Help.
I think. I really don't know.
Help.
I don't know.
Maybe I'll reach out to those guys and see where they're from and have them come install it for us.
No, we're going to do it. I mean, this is going to happen. It's just I don't know how it's going to happen.
Alright, so this is where you guys come in.
Yeah.
If anybody has installed their own backup cameras, feel free to leave some resources and videos and links below, as well as share your journey of how it worked well for you. Because if it didn't work well, I don't want to hear it.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, don't share that with me until after this video.
If you fail,
or the next
don't
one.
talk to us.
Yeah. Let us fail first.
But really, if you guys have installed your own backup cameras, like you have physically done it yourself, let us know about your experiences in the comments below. And if you have this Halo View backup camera, let us know your thoughts on it below. Like I said, in Buzz.
Just let him bark. He loves to bark.
Oh, there's a vulture getting water.
Oh, yeah.
He's been coming out there every day and they
Yeah.
get so mad. Yeah, so in the next video, or, update for this backup camera, we're going to be installing it.
It's going to be
Which might be a
installed.
10-part series.
Yeah, it could be it. Yeah.
But we're going to show all parts of it. Okay, well, I guess that's going to be it for today's video. It was just an unboxing. Hopefully y'all did enjoy it. As companies do reach out to us like this, we are more than happy to unbox and give our honest reviews. So I look forward to giving an honest review on this camera, which, I mean, if it shows us the back end of our RV, if it works, it's going to be a great review.
Yeah.
I guess the rest is just on us to install it correctly and not mess things
Well,
up.
maybe we can provide a resource to everyone else showing exactly what they're getting into. Maybe this isn't as daunting as it really seems.
Yeah.
But, and then we'll try to install it.
Let's hope
If
so.
it gets installed easily, maybe it will. Hopefully our setup can facilitate it back there. But, yeah, this video isn't just an unboxing. It's like a plea for help as well. So if y'all do have some insight onto this, again, we have a 35-foot Rockwood with the...
25.
Whatever. I wish it was 35. Right?
35 would be crazy.
Well, I couldn't pull that thing. So 25-foot Rockwood. It has the Furon little backup ready thing in the back. Because right now we have two, I think they're feminine. We just need the male or the...
So weird.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to do some YouTube research on our own because that's how we've learned so many things about this lifestyle. But hopefully you guys did enjoy it. We always ask, hit that thumbs up. And if you are new, make sure and hit that little subscribe button. And the notification bell will let you know when our videos come up so you won't miss them.
Yep.
But we will be seeing you guys on Thursday. Hope you're having a good day. And we look forward to hearing from you in the comments below.
Have fun out there.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Oh my god. I'll definitely do the install on a different day.
We're actually going to be doing an unboxing of me start over because I can't
Okay.
hold this and hold that at the same time.
By holding it?
So it cuts off like right below your elbow, like right here.
Oh, so you're not seeing this?
Yeah.
Give me all your money! Something like that. You can actually hear him.
Then you can back over.
Yeah, then you can back over.
So the videos that we have seen didn't show, like you said, the wiring. So we've yet to find a video that shows the actual wiring process.
I'm not gonna lie, there was a 30-minute video that could have had that
Oh my
wiring in there.
gosh.
Announced each size of the wire.
Which is probably what we need.
Yeah, but I'll just fast forward a couple things. Don't worry about
Alright,
it.
so what else do you want to talk about?
It's really hard to learn things whenever you're watching The Office, you know?
Eh.
We gotta finish The Office again.
Yeah, that's good. Making noises.
I don't know. I can't even do it. You got one out of that.